something exotic and bright with watercolors during this cold winter time. An outline drawing is done, and carefully remove the excess amount of graphite off the paper. I'm taking my watercolor art kit set and ready to mix watercolors. For the first mix, I'm taking permanent rose with a little touch of red violet, a little bit of Alizarin Crimson. Second mix, red violet and a little touch of Perylene Violet for darker tones. Third watercolor mix, a lemon yellow with a little touch of Manganese Violet. And for the green part, sap green with a little touch of Ultramarine Blue. Ready to start painting. I already did a first layer for 2 petals, and I will show you the middle one, the most bigger one. Applying water. Be sure that your water is clean because we need a lighter area stay light, and better after mixing watercolors, change your water in your jar. Using bigger synthetic brush, I'm taking the mix of permanent rose with red violet and alizarin crimson, and carefully looking at the reference, applying watercolors and avoiding lighter areas. Or also, if you painted over whole flower petal, you can later, while the surface is still wet, wipe out the pigment from the paper surface. That is possible if you are painting transparently and with thin layer and the surface is still wet. With clean and dry brush, I'm wiping out pigment from the paper surface. As you can see, it slowly starts to get lighter. I'm repeating the same. I'm washing my brush in water, wiping in a paper towel, and then I'm wiping out the pigment from the surface. carefully working on the last petal, adding some last finishing touches and details, and I'm now in the finishing stage of this flame lily painting tutorial. I loved this painting and this process of painting this flame lily very much and learned a lot. I hope you also learned something new from this painting and had a wonderful time. Hope you understood everything that I was trying to tell you. So thank you for watching and thanks for being here. See you in my next tutorials. Bye bye.